So my friend, this is Amit. As you all are preparing for the COMEDK 2025 exam, so here is a very important information video for all of you. That is marks versus rank versus all type of college, top 5, top 10, top 20. Everything I will provide you here. That is with CSC branch, EC branch, and mechanical civil. Everything I will be providing you on this same video. So please try to watch the video up to the last. Here I will cover the marks range from 30 to 160. And all type of branch I will cover. It is safe rank. So how much target you should take for the COMEDK examination out of 180, how much you need to score, I will be discussing in this same video. So please try to watch the video up to the last. So here is the information. For 160 plus marks, your rank will be under 100, 150 plus under 300, 140 plus under 800, and for 130 plus under 2000. And as for your information, I would like to inform you, I am covering this exam from last 6-7 years, so all the data has been correct from last year also. You can check the video in the same channel, and this year also I will be providing all the information up to the final counseling round, that is for up to the admission. I will be providing all the information. So kindly subscribe the channel, and if you want my guidance course, you can check the description, you will get the link. Now if you want for 120, 3.5 thousand, for 110, 5.5 thousand, for 100 plus under 8,000, for 90 plus under 11.5 thousand, for 80 plus 17 or less thousand, and for 70 plus 25,000 or less, and for 60 plus marks 34,000, 40 plus 49, and 30 plus 70,000 plus rank will be there, because 30 is very low score. The counseling is very important. Once you get the result, you have to do the counseling very carefully. For that I'm here. Also, if you contact me now, I will provide you dedicated test series for COMEDK, and also the important chapter, how to study, all the material, everything in a nominal charge. If you want, you can check the description, you can get the contact number also, link also, everything is possible, everything is available in the description box. If you want, you can contact me for the complete counseling guidance, and plus the mentorship to get the best result in COMEDK exam, plus any other exam. If you want to appear, you can contact me for that as well. So now if you talk about the rank versus branch, so here is the info. So here I will introduce about my COMEDK complete mentorship and guidance program. Here I will guide you first for the better preparation. It is how to study for the exam. I will provide you dedicated test series. Sidewise you can check the detail as well. Already I have guided lots of students. You can check the review also on my app. So if you want the guidance, you can check the description. There you will get the link, also my contact information. You can contact and you can get the guidance, important chapter, how to study. Within 10 days you can score better score. That is 1 out of 180, at least 140, 150. Surely you will score within 10 days of preparation if you have the little bit basic knowledge. Even if you don't have the knowledge, you can score 100 plus easily within 10 to 15 days of preparation. So if you want the guidance, you can contact me, and after the result I will guide you for the better counseling process, round by round, for better choice, filling, decision making, everything, so that you can join the best college in COMEDK. And similarly, if you want any other counseling guidance, you can contact me for that also. Thank you. Here is the information. CSC 3.5 thousand for top 5 college, and 9,000 for top 10, for top 20 30,000. For CSC specialization 9,000, top 5 10, top 10 if you talk, then 20,000 rank, and top 20 40,000 rank. All cutoff are applicable up to the third round. Once you do the counseling, that is in a better manner, up to third round, you will get the college for sure, whatever I am discussing here. EC 12,000, 22,000, 44,000 is top 5, top 10, and top 20. Triple E 20, 35, and 61,000. Others 35 and 57, and lower branch there is top 20. You can get at any rank, because those are very less demanded. So this was the complete information, that is for COMEDK. Better counseling will always help you to get the best college, not only in COMEDK but for other counseling also. If you want the guidance, you can contact me in the description. Details are there. Thank you.